Anopenoma minu.
Yeah.
Baku very worrying. Na baku very encouraging.
And then I am share braze.
No, very worrying. No, the kind of latter part. Now, encouraging one. No.
Yeah.
Mampenya is see a bonabaso on Asra for who say a shareholder.
Exactly. Sure.
Asra for share. Inti bonabaso this time an improved version of a share no diaba.
Yeah.
Inti yedan mampenya CP. Na yedan asini kasi bi emra na enkoso fire service force also immigration force also customs force also Ghana police service force
prisons force
prison titru also prison service force ene omo hia saa nioma no I bet me aboa mo adwuma mo ye no etimi adimu na awie peyo eno achi so ne ye hwe o makatwa wonsem so kama omo ene bia omo tibia mu nso nsem ne ye kan because once odi opepa ekoma Ghana no as I say, yes, or no, Nebusia for or Massitinem and your Muyedi. Etimampain, we are so grateful, or no, powerful. Say, nay, a military no, o Okoswa, o Equipomo, kama. Enti ye best say
kwabna am say o share Facebook no
yes
and ceremony of course so cast ni na
da ho
Facebook joining on Facebook we be hu ahyen no wow
so beautiful so encouraging nemom ye mfa no to hu nko ba say sorry dem wo ye we no na o ma sitinem ne o mu ye die ni so no o hwe ntoto ye betimi am o mo atimi ahare o if say asrafo anaya bambofo no omunya omakade ni wi a omobotom so very important very come from a family
very
it is say ho mu ne krokro mu na yegigom so na Ghana appreciate omo effort baby omo de ye aitimi aden abedu
sure
na fe yakọ omo ankasa so say maintenance enya omo asemi very important say ne say ye de sa de we ba ebechew eka buburo de go sa so at na obehu na 2-3 days no na aginsem na e shena sesi baby basa e shena intimi contract ye bia na afi aginsem sa nyoma nyina no e hadwin ye panti ye be sese mpanyimfo so me in charge of maintenance no so no on be masa de na timi adom akomas na
but man minim senka baby say mama de ba contract no nka some maintenance
well minim the details of it but whichever way it is no say ambulance experience into no na make us and the mentality ni say Ghana de lack the maintenance culture ya kan ba ho na montu na to sin de bia da ye nim say ye hu ye mreyo ba kwa be fa so a be si sa mreyo no kwa na continues to be a problem a lot of police vehicles over fitting shops na
SCC1
so what I say a lot of government vehicles over fitting shops
SCC1
so painful
SCC1
when people are held accountable and responsible for some of these actions and inactions na obia betina si if say nya wo japade e your mind no ejapade ye bo ban yi a nchirima no so be ba abefa improve upon it
Jim FM 106.3